Chances are, you're a pretty slow designer, and most probably, a design may take you hours to complete, making you wanna commit suicide. In this video, we're gonna show you how you can also become a fast designer using these 5 plugins. Number 1. Autoflow. Autoflow is a game changer, and a pretty popular plugin in the Figma community. Instead of spending time connecting shapes and frames together, Autoflow allows you to do that just by holding Shift and selecting the elements you want to connect. Your arrows are fully customizable, allowing you to change color, make them curved, and much more. You can even drag the frames all you want. Number 2. Lorem Ipsum. Designers often find themselves losing time trying to fill their designs with content. Lorem Ipsum is a plugin that allows you to quickly generate realistic text for paragraphs and headings. The plugin is straightforward, easy to use, and the content it generates doesn't exceed your frame. Number 3. Breakpoints. Ever thought about creating responsive layouts? If the answer is not because you're lazy, try Breakpoints. This plugin allows you to create responsive prototypes directly inside Figma. Basically, if the user screen width gets smaller or bigger, the design will change, allowing your website to look good on more devices. Clicking on the plus icon here, you can create more breakpoints. You can customize your breakpoints based on your needs. Afterwards, select the frames that match the breakpoints one by one. And our frame is ready. That said, your developer probably won't hate you. Number 4. Stark. If you want to make sure your website looks and feels great, Stark is a must. With this one tool, you can fight accessibility issues. It checks color contrast, it has a vision simulator, typography analyzer, and much more. This plugin is really a game changer, as it has all these tools in one place. And the last but not least, number 5. Iconduck. This plugin is pretty straightforward. It is a huge collection of icons loaded directly inside Figma, allowing you to access icons without leaving the application. The best part is, every icon is in SVG format, so it is fully customizable. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for future content like this. We'll see you in the next one.